Guys, I'm very excited to share a new collection from ColourPop with you. It is not quite out yet. It might be out by the time I upload this. It's actually the coconut collection. Y'all can't see any of that. It has the Going Coconuts palette in there, pressed powder palette of the usual, or one of the usual 9 shades. And this palette is perfect if you want a holiday party look that's more neutral, but still has a little shimmer if you are going to work and don't want to wear, you know, a super in-your-face dramatic look, because it has shimmers and mattes in it as well. So it's not strictly shimmer. It doesn't have to be all metallic looking like this. It has several mattes in there, 5 to be precise, that you can use, mix and match, wear to work. If you want to amp it up for night, you can do that. Has your usual built-in mirror. I don't want to reflect on y'all, that would be weird. Y'all see that I'm not wearing any pants. Just kidding, I am. It's cold. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. I'm going to start off with an eyeshadow primer. I'm taking the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. This is just in sheer, and I'm going to apply this on both eyes. I still have a few flakes of glitter on my eyelashes from my last tutorial I filmed. But y'all probably can't see that anyway, it's probably just me. Today I'm going to be using the Going Coconuts palette from ColourPop. At the time this video was filmed, this is not out yet, but I was able to preview the collection. Thankfully, because I am a ColourPop ambassador. And I've already swatched them. You can kind of see them on my arm a little. I tried to like hide them. Let me just not wear sleeves because that's gonna mess them up, I think. I'm just gonna leave my sleeve up. Okay, you can kind of see. I have a review video I'm gonna post before this tutorial, I believe. I always like to do the review first, so when I say for review on this, check out my previous video. Moving on, have my makeup rag. I'll link these below. These are like perfect for makeup. Like if you need to dust off a brush or to wash your face, to dry your face. They're specifically meant for makeup. I'm gonna take my Going Coconuts palette as I mentioned, and the first color I'm going to use is called, I'm gonna kind of go out of the box this time, or try to. I'm gonna try to take Lovely Bunch. I think it might show up. That's this color right here. I'm gonna take that color for starters. And it's a warmer, light brown. Taking that with the 222 from MAC. Going back and forth in my crease. Yes, it shows up slightly, and that's what I'm going for. So it's just a light wash of color. You could add something else if you wanted, but for once in my life, I'm not going to make it deeper, but don't hold me to that because I might change my mind. As my brow highlight, I'm gonna take Shredded for now. That's the lightest color in the palette, and it's matte. Okay, focus please. Taking that color there on a MAC 227. On the lid, I'm going to take the Cocoa DA. That's this color at the bottom. It's a pretty shimmery bronze, and it's not a darker, I would say it's more of a, not pewter, it's another word. It's not really bronze, it's more of a gun smoke or something. I don't know. It's very pretty though. Taking a flat brush, I'm using a MAC 249. This is just a flat brush. I need to just start saying flat brush versus the name of them because I don't know if these are still available. It's possible you can still find them on places like Amazon and eBay. I'm going to apply this on the lid, sweeping across. Well, I'm packing because that works better, I see. Everything is pretty light and wearable in this palette, so if you need a work appropriate palette, you need to get Going Coconuts because you're gonna go coconuts. Okay, on the outer V, I'm gonna take Shell, yeah, which is this reddish brown here. I normally put this type of shade in my crease, but I want to do something different this time and place it on the outer V. I'm using Sedona Lace EB15. It's a nice tapered contouring brush, and you can build this as much as you want. If you don't want much color, use a fluffier brush, and I do want it to show, so I'm adding it, and I'm also sweeping it into my crease a little. As you can see, I'm really building up the color, and I still ended up putting a little in my crease anyway. Going back into the Lovely Bunch on the outer edge, In the inner corner of the eye, I'm taking Cocoa Crush, I believe. No, I'm gonna take Palm Reader, which is this shimmery white. I normally stay away from colors like these, but I'm not gonna do that this time because I stay away from it most of the time. I'm using a MAC 249, the same brush I used earlier. Tear duct. It's so pretty. Glad I didn't stay away from it this time. And when I say stay away from these types of colors, I meant shimmery whites because I find them to be too harsh sometimes, but I think it's a really nice touch to this look. And you just want to take your brush that's used in the crease and just go around it so it's not super harsh. Now I'm going to do lower lash line. I have an eyeliner in here. I do not. I did grab a couple of eyeliners. These are also from ColourPop. These are their cream gel liners. First one I'm taking is called Dirty Talk, and it's a nice gold. This is going in my waterline. And then for the lower lash line, I'm taking Call Me, which is a darker brown. You could definitely do brown. I don't know if I'm gonna do this gold or not. Let me see if I'm gonna do it or not. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Ah, tickles. Leaving the inner corner bare. I'm gonna take that flat 249 brush I used earlier, taking the very tip, cleaning the brush off. I have no idea what I had on there last. And I'm gonna take the darkest color in the palette called Nutty. This color at the bottom right here. Smoking out that bottom. In the inner tear duct, dusting that brush off. And I'm taking Cocoa Crush, which is this color here. Whoa, be careful with this color because it's super soft and creamy. And I just dug my brush in there and screwed it up a little, but I fixed it. I just packed it back. So you can do that as well. And as you can see, with one swipe, it pretty much fixed both tear ducts. I'm gonna blend in the dark brown. Just merge it in together, sweep it back and forth. All done. Okay, I got some more goodies from the other room. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some liner. I actually am gonna use brown. I changed my mind. I'm using this one from ColourPop. It's the ColourPop liquid liner in shade Grande. And it looks really nice with the look. You definitely do black too. ColourPop also has a black liquid liner. You can do a much more wearable wing if you want, but I still wanted a dramatic wing. You have the option to do what you'd like. So I'm actually gonna mix. My normal shade I normally use is dark 40, but I think I ran out, I believe. So I'm gonna take one of these other lighter shades that I've realized is too light, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm mixing it with Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in Mocha. I'm mixing that with ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium dark 38. I think that's the next shade down from dark 40. I believe. I don't know. Don't quote me. Blending it out with Sedona Lace 224. And this is way too much concealer. Oops. But I'm using my makeup towel to clean my brush and then go back in. It's not too much lighter. It's a little redder, but hopefully foundation fixes that. If not, oops. I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter. Actually, no. I'm gonna apply some mascara first. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I really like it. Okay, foundation now. No, lashes. I'm gonna take some wispies. These particular ones are from Cherry Blossom. I believe I got these from some beauty supply store near me. if you are in the North Dallas area, I like to go to Goal 7 Beauty Supply. That's a good one. And then there's a really good one. God, I can't even think of it. It's massive. It's like the biggest beauty supply store I've ever seen. I don't know. I'm gonna have to come back to y'all with that. I apologize. But that one's even better. But I don't make it on that side of town too often. So where is my lash glue? I'm gonna go ahead and cover the other lash band while I wait on the other side to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation while I wait. I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Sticks foundation, or just No Filter Sticks. ColourPop No Filter Sticks in dark 167W. This is like my perfect shade, I believe. I haven't worn it in a few months, so that possibly might not be true. Kind of looks similar to one of the other foundations I wear. Just blending it out with this random foundation brush I found. I think it's okay. I'm going around the eyes to blend it in with my concealer so it's not a harsh transition. I think it's my summer shade. It doesn't look bad now either. Now in the collection, there are no blushes, or none that I received. I'll have to see when it actually launches if there are going to be any blushes. I don't think so though. So yeah, there's no blushes in the collection, so I did grab a blush and highlighter from ColourPop that I just had in my collection. I'm taking the ColourPop Wisp Super Shock Cheek Mist, one of their highlighters. It's one that's still available, I'm pretty sure. Last time I looked. I'm going to use fan brush. This is an e.l.f. fan brush. And I added on a ton because that's just the type of person I am. I love highlight. I'm still adding, like, oh, okay. Put a little here and move on. Not gonna do any more. Y'all are probably like, this girl. But I think I might have seen people with way more highlighter than me. Or maybe I just made it up. Yeah. For blush, I'm taking ColourPop K-Pop Blushed Super Shock Cheek. I'm using a MAC 116. Just a little wash of color, but not over the top since it's kind of a nude. I'm going for more of a nude, neutral look. And actually, that side dried pretty clear, so I don't really need to. Alright, for lips, I'm taking one of the crayons from the collection. This is the ColourPop Just a Tint in Waikiki. Oh, it smells so good. Sorry, I just smelled it on my lips. I was like, oh my god, my lips smell amazing. But it's actually a lip crayon. And my lips now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look using the Going Coconuts palette. Be sure to rate the video, subscribe, and also turn your notifications on so you know when I post again. If you have any special requests, leave them below. I do have a few requests coming up soon. One of them being a skincare video, honey palette video. I don't think I've posted that yet. It's coming though, because I haven't edited. I haven't uploaded. I just have to find room in my content schedule to get it up, which makes sense. Or find time to upload it that makes sense. Because I want to get this up as soon as possible. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.